Today I'm going to share with you how to use the essential tool for every audio modification, the phase tester. Let's open the tool bag. Inside there's a pair of test probes, a phase tester, and a small battery. This is the test CD. There's also a user manual. First, let's install the battery into the phase tester. Insert the test CD into the audio source unit. Set the track to number 3. Next, let's take a look at how to set the buttons on the panel. The first switch is for selecting the audio source. When we select CD, you can see there's a small hole above, which is the built-in microphone used to receive signals. The second is the power switch, used to turn the device on and off. The last switch is used to select the function of the 2 jacks below. Next, I'll demonstrate how to use it. We can determine the speaker's polarity by receiving the speaker signal. 3 green lights and 1 red light indicate the speaker is in phase. If there are 3 red lights and 1 green light, it means the speaker is out of phase, as shown by the phase shift test function. With this test pen, we can also test the speaker's polarity. First, I connect the pen according to the positive and negative terminals. At this point, we set the first phase shift switch to line. At this point, we don't need any other equipment. We use the phase tester's own signal and output it to the speaker. Point the phase tester's microphone at the speaker. When the phase tester flashes a green light, the terminal connected to the red probe is the positive terminal. We can also use its output function during modifications to identify which wire is connected to which speaker. As you can see, it also has an RCA output terminal. During modifications, you can use this function to connect with the amplifier and troubleshoot wiring issues. The 2 terminals below also have the function of detecting amplifier output. We set the small switch to in because we are now testing an external audio source, so we set the top switch to CD to receive a signal from the audio head unit. Connect the output from the head unit or amplifier to these 2 terminals, and when the phase indicator shows 3 green lights and 1 red light, the wire that is in phase with the positive terminal is the positive output from the amplifier or audio source. That's the method for using the phase tester that I wanted to share with you today. See you next time.